Have you ever wondered how the mRNA COVID-19 vaccines work and why they're safe? Let's unravel this mystery today. You might have already heard that these vaccines are a new type of vaccine, but the science behind them isn't new at all. The research that made these vaccines possible has been in development for decades. mRNA stands for messenger ribonucleic acid. It's a type of molecule in our bodies that helps create proteins. This is where the magic happens. The mRNA COVID-19 vaccines contain a small piece of the SARS-CoV-2 virus's mRNA, which instructs cells in our body to produce the virus's distinctive spike protein. Now, this spike protein is harmless on its own, but our immune system sees it as an invader, triggering an immune response. This response helps our bodies learn how to fight the virus should we encounter it in the future. This is an important point to note. The mRNA never enters the nucleus of our cells, where our DNA is stored. Therefore, it cannot interact with our DNA and cause mutations. It's a myth that the mRNA vaccines can alter our DNA. They simply can't. Similarly, the claim that these vaccines can cause cancer is unfounded. The mRNA from the vaccine does not stay in our bodies, but is broken down and eliminated within a few days. The vaccines do not contain any ingredients that are known to cause cancer, and they have been thoroughly tested for safety. Another misconception is that the mRNA vaccines can cause blood clots. While there have been rare cases of clotting disorders following vaccination, the risk is much lower than the risk of severe illness or death from COVID-19 itself. Moreover, these cases have not been linked directly to the mRNA vaccines. Autoimmune diseases and T-cell exhaustion are other concerns that have been raised. However, there's no evidence that mRNA vaccines cause autoimmune diseases. In fact, the vaccines have been shown to be safe and effective in people with autoimmune conditions. As for T-cell exhaustion, this is a condition that can occur when T-cells, a type of white blood cell, are overstimulated. But the mRNA vaccines do not overstimulate the immune system. They simply teach it how to recognize and fight the virus. So, here's a quick recap. First, the mRNA COVID-19 vaccines work by teaching our immune system how to fight the virus. They do this by instructing our cells to make a harmless piece of the virus's spike protein, which triggers an immune response. Second, the mRNA in these vaccines cannot interact with our DNA or cause mutations. It's broken down and eliminated from our bodies within a few days. Third, the vaccines have been thoroughly tested for safety and do not contain any ingredients known to cause cancer, blood clots, autoimmune diseases, or T-cell exhaustion. The bottom line, the mRNA COVID-19 vaccines are a safe and effective tool in the fight against this virus. They are based on decades of research and have undergone rigorous testing, and the science is clear. They do not cause the serious side effects that some have claimed. Remember, getting vaccinated not only protects you, but also those around you. So don't let myths and misconceptions guide your decisions. Trust the science.